Bashi, can you say good morning? Take your passy out. Say good morning. You're not in your bed anymore. Are we at Hollywood Studios? Yes, we are. Are you excited to ride Mickey and Minnie? Minnie. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Yesterday was like the best, most relaxing day. We didn't do a lot at Epcot, but like we didn't rush either. We kind of just enjoyed and like walked slow, took our time, which was like much needed. And then we were back in the room and like at the hotel by like 5 o'clock. If Zach hadn't have done laundry, we probably all would have been in bed by like 8:30. Zach was doing laundry though, so he came to bed later, but he still said he was in bed by like 10. So it was a much needed restful night. And we got to sleep in today because we didn't have to get up at like 6:30 like we have been.
Well, I've got an account, but I don't know the password to it.
Well, see if there's a forgot password and then do it that way. Need help signing in. What was I saying? Zach's trying to create his Disney account because you have to have an account to do the virtual queue for Star Wars. And we know he has one from the cruise, but he doesn't know his password. Anyways, that's what he's trying to figure out. I don't remember what I was saying, but anyways, we're at Hollywood Studios, and I'm very excited because we're gonna ride Mickey and Minnie's Railway. That's where we're headed. Like, the first thing we do is heading to get in line for that, and then hopefully we can get in line and be standing in line before 10 o'clock when we can try and join the virtual queue for Star Wars. And fingers crossed, we get a boarding group. I don't think I can ride, but I think I'm gonna ask. There's a part that you're supposed to be able to like walk through, and then before you get in the actual car, you can exit. So I'm gonna see if that's a possibility, because I would love to actually see part of the ride. I gotta see too if he can ride. I don't know the height. I'll have to look that up. Anyways, I'm rambling, but we're about to go into Hollywood Studios. We're sitting in the parking lot waiting for the parking lot to open, and then it'll be time to go. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye, camera.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera. Bye, camera.
You want to cover it?
Boop.
Do it.
Boop.
Boop. Yeah, that definitely wasn't 55 minutes. You see the foot? That's not Mommy's foot. Mickey and Minnie's hands are supposed to be somewhere. I don't remember where though. Hang on. Where? Bashi, look, there's Donald. You see the star? No, on the ground. It says Donald Duck. Those are his hands. Donald! Is that cool? That's Donald! Look, it's already up to 105 minutes. We did not wait. So we got in line at like 9:17 for Mickey and Minnie's. And what time is it?
9:45.
It's 9:45. We haven't hardly waited at all, and we're already on the inside queue. So, should be super fun. Oh my goodness, silly Goofy.
Look what Goofy did.
Look what Goofy did. He put a hole in the wall.
Well, howdy everybody. It's me, employee of the month. It's Goofy.
Goofy!
Runaway Railroad. For your safety while riding aboard the train, always stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and
Hi, Goofy.
on your train cars. And be sure to keep an eye on the railroad.
He's looking for him. He hears him.
Thanks.
Hola pasajeros, durante nuestro viaje.
Are you ready?
We're gonna run on a choo-choo train. You ready to see Goofy and Mickey and Minnie?
Are you ready? You see Mickey and Minnie!
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Are you excited? Car!
Hey, Mick and Mim.
Look!
Come on, share with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! This is all my fault! Oh no!
Whoa! Ah! Woo! Woo! Is that fun? Whoa! He said whoa!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are!
Zach, look at his face. You missed it. Oh, this is awesome. This is such a cool ride. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh no, we're underwater. We gotta swim. Whoa!
That was cool.
This is awesome.
1 minute.
Whoa!
That's right.
Look, who is it?
Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're all waltzing so beautifully
Who is it?
together. Oh.
Daisy!
Now, let's conga!
Oh no, we're in the steam room!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
I guess we all got it.
Was that so much fun? ride I've ever been on in my life. Y'all missed part of it, but at least you got that too.
We're about to have a wave. We're about to have a cool ride later.
I don't care. This was. So as usual, just hear me editing. Just to share a little magical moment. Hollywood Studios did quickly become not the greatest day ever, and there was quite a few bad moments and bad cast members. But our day started out amazing. It started out so great. And the magical moment was that, I'm laughing because I know how badly the day became, but the day started so great. Anyways, the magical moment was that we got to the park earlier than like my dad and like our rest of our group or whatever. And so the first ride we wanted to go to was Mickey and Minnie, and then some of the other part of the group went back to Toy Story Land. But anyways, so my dad and Susan, when they got there, they were just kind of walking, and because of where we were in the queue for Mickey and Minnie, they kind of like walked up on us, but they were outside the like line. Well, a cast member saw us talking to them as we were kind of walking along the edge, and she was like, would you like me to remove the rope and then they could get in line with you? And we like totally didn't want to like cut people in line. We were like, oh, are you sure? And she was like, yeah, no problem. And so she like opened it, and then they got to get in line and actually ride with us, which was so cool because they didn't have to wait in the first part of the line like we did. They just kind of walked up, and when they saw us, they were able to just get in line like practically right before we got on. So that was a really cool magical moment, and it was a really nice cast member. So thank you to that cast member. Back to the vlog. I'm sure it's gonna get more interesting. Okay, so Mickey and Minnie's, we were on and off before the park even opened. It's just now 10:06, 10:07, something like that. Park opened at 10, so that was awesome. Great start to the day, and it was literally one of the coolest rides I've ever been on.
And we got in the resistance.
And we got Ride of the Resistance boarding groups, so it's a good day all around so far. But we are headed to Toy Story Land to try and go knock off a few of those rides before our character lunch in a little bit. So let's go there. Cowboy. Good job. Go, Sebastian. Go, 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 go. Do it. Go, go, go. Good job. Beep, beep. That was fun.
That was fun.
I want to see who wins. Bubba, was that cool? Yeah? 105. You got 159. You won. Are you excited? Ride? Bashi, are you excited? Is it gonna be so fun? He thinks you're gonna fly every time we get in one like this. now he's mad. Are you ready for lunch? Are you gonna see Mickey and Minnie?
Minnie.
And Goofy? Are you excited? Goofy. What are you drinking? Did you get a special drink? What is this? Coke. Is it good? Lucky boy. Who are we gonna see?
It's a very sweet treat indeed. Please welcome Minnie and Mickey.
Aww. Where are they? Daisy's not at this one. There's Mickey, he's coming to see you.
Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey.
And they're in their Halloween costumes. It's Mickey Halloween. Say hi, Mickey.
No, but you can't go get it.
Bashy, turn around and say cheese. Look at mommy. Bashy, look at mommy. Sebastian, look at mommy. Bashy, say cheese. Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Thanks, Mickey. Alright, you take it.
Welcome to Minnie's Dine and
Yeah.
Hollywood and Vine.
Bashy, say cheese.
And all of her friends are
Bubba, look. Bubba.
Talk to me.
Okay, that's fine.
kindly asked to remain seated at your table during your visit. Make sure to have your cameras ready for when they pass
Say
by.
cheese. Can you see Buddha?
Yeah, Bubba, look.
Bashy, say cheese. Thank you. Hey, look who I see. Look who is that. See, I can't keep up with their routes. They change it. Huh? That's fine, because I doubt the video even picked it up.
That's Goofy.
Say hi, Goofy. Alright, look at Daddy, say cheese.
Bubba, look. Bubba. Bashy.
Look at Daddy, say cheese. Look at Daddy.
Bub. Bub.
Hey, look at Daddy and say cheese.
Okay.
He just wants to talk.
Yeah.
Say hi, Goofy. Bye, Goofy. There's Minnie. Wave to her. Say hi, Minnie.
Now it's time to carve your pumpkins and yell trick or treat.
Look, Goofy's waving to you.
Wave at it. Say hey. That's Goofy.
Are you ready to see Mater?
Nice one, Max.
Are you gonna see Mater? Are you gonna see Mater?
Who is Lightning McQueen's official sponsor?
Mater.
That makes me so fucking.
So mad.
All right, let's say it all together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rusty's! Great job, rookies.
Okay, so Zach rode. What'd you ride? Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror. And Sebastian was sleeping during the whole time, so we went and found like a little shaded spot and we were sitting there chilling. And Zach rode both of those rides. And now we are at the Frozen sing-along. Are you gonna sing Frozen? What? I don't know what you said. Are you excited to sing? It's gonna be fun.
And then we're done.
Why?
Careful. Hold it out some. Look, hold it out here so you can see yourself. You don't want to look at yourself? That's how you see. So you can film mommy. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
No, 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 don't push it down. Hi, Anna! Say hi, Anna!
This is a very special day. It's a special day because for the first time in forever, so now you're celebrating the Arendelle Festival. I'm Anna. Hi. And now I'm honored to introduce to you the Arendelle Royal Historians.
Hello, everybody!
Elsa?
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. Okay, so quick fill-in. After we did our Brett character lunch, we went over and did the car simulator, which Sebastian loved. He would have been more obsessed with it had it had more Mater characters and less of Lightning McQueen. 1 second, buddy. Because he's obsessed with like the secondary characters, which also happened. After we did that, he fell asleep in the stroller, which was perfect because Zach went and rode Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror like twice for both of them. Since I couldn't ride him and he was asleep, it was perfect. And so then we met back up and we went over and did the Frozen sing-along, which Sebastian would have enjoyed more had there been more Sven in it. He's obsessed, like I said, with secondary characters. So since Olaf and Sven weren't really in it, he was not a huge fan, cried the whole time. So anyways, after that, we were pretty much like, okay, we've done everything. Let's head over to Star Wars Land now. And it was almost time for our boarding group. So we were like, let's go over there. So that is where we are headed to now.
This looks exactly like the movies.
Are you in heaven?
Yes. Oh my god.
I made you wait to come over here.
This looks exactly like where Anakin.
Do we say hi to them?
So hey, Bubba.
Say hi.
Excellent. Affirmative.
You see him? You want out for a minute?
Enjoy your day.
He's,
Bye.
say bye.
Come on, up here.
Chewie? You see him? Wait, say hi. Wave to him. Say hi, Chewie. Look, say hi. That's Ray. Can you say hi? Yeah, say hi. Say hi.
Hey.
So that is all of the footage that I have from Hollywood Studios. The day took a turn when we were in Star Wars Land. Obviously, it was towards the end of the day. We were hot. It was the end of the week. It was just a long day in general. 1 second, okay? And we get over there. Anyways, we get over there. Zach goes and rides, like, one of the rides, whatever. I couldn't ride it. Sebastian wasn't tall enough, so, like, no big deal. Me and Sebastian had a blue milk and a green milk, and it was fine. And then it was our turn to go and ride Rise of the Resistance. So we get over there to ride Rise of the Resistance, and the cast member I talked to said, yes, it was fine. I could do the walkthrough part, and then I could get off. And that way I didn't have to do the drop part of it or whatever, since I'm pregnant and couldn't. And so we were like, great, awesome, so excited. We're all going to go together. Well, then we get to the front, and they said that Sebastian couldn't do the walkthrough part with me. And we're like, okay, no big deal. We'll just do rider swap. And I was like, I'll just go first. Or I was like, I'll just stay with Sebastian, and then you guys go. So she was getting ready to do rider swap, and for some reason, she, like, couldn't figure out how to make the band work to where... 1 second, okay? She just couldn't figure out how to make it to where, like, I could do just the walkthrough part, and then, like, get off, and then it would be Zach's turn because I wasn't completing the ride, I guess. It didn't make any sense, but anyways, so I got really frustrated. It was the end of the day. I really wanted to ride this ride. Not that I'm even a Star Wars fan at all, but I just heard that it's, like, a cool ride, and so I already couldn't ride very much, so the fact that this was one that I could do, like, the walkthrough part, I was like, cool, that'll be fun. Well, didn't get to. And the lady didn't apologize, basically told me I needed to move out of the line. I sat down on the side, and I was sitting, like, in the shade with Sebastian, and then they had to, I guess, redo the line. So the cast member came over, and she was like, can I offer you a nice shady spot over there? And I was like, I'm in the shade. I don't want to move. And she was, like, just extremely rude and basically told me I needed to move, and I was in the way. And it was the same cast member who had already been rude to me, so she knew who I was. She knew that I was upset. And it was just a really bad experience. They weren't willing to fix anything. They weren't willing to try and accommodate anything. She didn't even say sorry one time. So the ride that takes like an hour to do the walkthrough and everything. Sebastian's playing. And so it takes like an hour. So I literally had another hour of just sitting around with Sebastian doing nothing. And there was like just no remorse, I guess, was the part that was really the most frustrating, was that the cast members make magic, but they also can take magic away. And the fact that she wasn't even willing to be like, hey, like, let me get you a fast pass and, like, you guys go ride something else. Like, let me make sure, you know, you don't have to wait in a line. You guys go do something that you guys can do. Go to Toy Story Land. And, you know, I won't make you wait in line. Like, we'll figure something out. Like, I just felt like there was something she could have done to make magic, and she literally just didn't care. Didn't care that I was frustrated or anything. And it was a bad experience, a bad moment. And it was, like, the end of our trip, and that had been happening, like, throughout the trip. We'd just been having bad moment after bad moment after bad moment, and so it was, like, just to end the trip with that, it was just so frustrating. And then after Zach, my dad, Mike, everyone got off the ride, they came back, and they're like, it wasn't even that exciting. And I guess, like, you have to be a Disney Star Wars fan to really have fun, or maybe the ride wasn't as big as it could be because of COVID, and maybe that some of the magic wasn't there from the ride because of that. Sebastian. And so, like, we've debated all of that, but anyways, it ended up not being a big deal. We ended up leaving pretty much after Zach got off Rise of the Resistance. Actually, that's a lie. No, we didn't. We went back to Toy Story Land and did Midway Mania like 3 times without waiting, and that was super fun. That was one of our favorite rides. So, the night ended pretty fine. We got back to the room, and then the next day we slept in, got up, ate breakfast, and went to the pool the whole day. So, that was pretty much the end of our Disney trip, and as I've said multiple times, watching these videos reminds me that, yes, we had bad moments, but we also had really good moments. And having these videos, I didn't film the bad, obviously. I didn't film when I was frustrated. And so there are moments, I guess, that are missing that I'm filling in with these clips. But it's kind of nice because I don't have those bad moments documented. But I do have all of the good moments. And these videos are 30 minutes long. So, like, there was so much good. And in the moment, all you want to focus on is the bad and the mask and the heat and the cast members, and it just wasn't what you expected. And in the moment, we let it get to us, and we let it destroy our trip and make, you know, we made bad days that we shouldn't have necessarily let be as big of a deal as they were. But looking back, I'm so grateful that I have all of the good footage and all of the good moments and all of the sweet smiles from Sebastian, all the rides he rode, and all the characters he got to wave to, and there was so much good despite the bad, and that's how I want to remember this trip. I want to remember it with the highlight reel, and so I'm grateful that I have these videos to kind of be the highlight reel for us. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed Disney Week. I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. If you're not watching these as they're live and you want to see all of the vlogs, I have Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, and then obviously today's Hollywood Studio vlog. They're all linked in our Disney 2020 playlist. Please feel free to check them all out. If you're not subscribed and you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and like this video. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed Disney Week, and I will see you guys on Monday for back to Vlogmas, a new Christmas video. And next week's Christmas, so it's all good in the hood. See you guys next time. Bye.